Hey everyone, this is Tramboy70. Today, I got something in the mail today. It's a Tomy Plarail RWS Series Thomas. That was released in 2025 for the 80th anniversary of the RWS Series and Thomas and Friends. So, there's Thomas with his two coaches, Annie and Credible. So here's the front, the bottom, the top, side, the other side, and the back. Let's unbox this, shall we? Had to use the scissors. There it is. There's Thomas, Annie, and Credible. Had to use the scissors again. I had to be careful. There it is, guys. A RWS Series Thomas. Let's take a look at him. Here's the front, side, the top, the other side, the back. Let's take a look at Annie. Here's the front, side. It has no names for Annie, but I'm okay with it. The back, oh, there's a little bit of something on the back of it, but I got it out. The other side, and the top. Let's take a look at Credible. Here's the front, side, has no name for Credible, but I'm okay with it. The back, the other side, and the top. Let's get the RWS Series Tomy Plarail Thomas battery. I got double-A batteries. Let's put it in and see it works. Wow, it works good. And it's running fast. Pretty cool, huh? Let's get the RWS Series Thomas a test one, shall we? Wow, RWS Series Thomas one's fast, don't you think? Well, that is a nice test one, don't you think? And before I go, there's something I found inside the Very Serious Thomas box. It's a book. Let's take a look inside. There's Thomas. He's going to cover up some trucks from the story called Thomas and the Trucks. And here's Thomas leaving the station without his coaches from the episode Thomas's Train. And there's Henry. There's some people waving at Henry. That's from the episode Cole. I mean the Flying Kemper. Sorry, my bad. Here we have Percy, Harold, Edward, Gordon, Diesel, Mavis, James, Bertie, Trevor, Toby, Scarlowy, Duncan, Bill and Ben, Duck, and that's the Thomas the Tank Engine book. It has 4 stories. It's called Thomas the Gordon, Thomas the Train, Thomas and the Trucks, and Thomas and the Breakdown Train. See? And there's the back of it. Well guys, that's it with this video. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and we'll see you in the next video.